Rasta Crypto Diva? Oh, you've wandered into a fascinating niche of internet culture. Imagine someone blending Rastafarian vibes, crypto education, and unapologetic diva energy. It's colorful, it's bold, and honestly, it's kind of brilliant. Let me explain. She's not like those suit and tie blockchain consultants who spout jargon. No, Rasta Crypto Diva breaks it down. She'll talk about blockchain like it's the new road to Zion, sprinkling in metaphors about freedom, unity, and prosperity. And suddenly, it clicks. Her audience? Mostly beginners who feel like crypto is this elite club they can't crack into, but she gives them permission to say, yeah, I don't get it yet. Then, boom, she's explaining wallets with Bob Marley lyrics as her backdrop. Pain point alert, crypto is overwhelming, period. There are thousands of altcoins, endless exchanges, and scams lurking everywhere. Rasta Crypto Diva cuts through the noise like a machete cutting sugarcane. Clear, approachable, relatable. People need that. Step-by-step tutorials? She nails those too. Whether it's setting up a wallet or staking tokens, she breaks it into 3-minute bites. First, get this app. Next, secure your keys like a treasure map. Then, vibe, you're in. Her visual style? Pure art. She's got the neon dreads, the technicolor backdrops, and reggae beats punctuating every key takeaway. It's part education, part entertainment, and that's why her videos pop in a sea of boring thumbnails. The hook for her audience is empowerment. Crypto is wild territory, especially for people who feel historically excluded from wealth-building tools. Rasta Crypto Diva tells them, you deserve financial independence, and here's how you get it. You ever hear someone go, I don't trust this crypto stuff, it's like monopoly money? That's her ignition point. She'll laugh, maybe snap her fingers, and then explain decentralized finance in a way that makes them nod, wide-eyed. Pro tip, she's got a signature phrase she drops in practically every video. Don't just hodl, build. It's like her rallying cry to get folks active, staking, farming, or diversifying instead of sitting on coins like it's dragon gold. Her biggest challenge? Skepticism about her vibe. The crypto world is packed with people looking for spotless resumes. She flips that on its head, showing that trust can be built with authenticity, not just credentials. Another pro tip, she always urges followers to DYOR, do your own research. It's a lifesaver in a world where pump and dumps and rug pulls are lurking at every corner. Her way of saying it, don't get caught chasing Babylon dreams. She's also big on reminding people about the why. Crypto isn't about getting rich fast, she says. It's about ownership, community, and giving power back to the people. That's her ethos, and it resonates deeply. Where's this going? Who knows? But whether you're there for the education, the vibes, or just to see what new color her locks are, Rasta Crypto Diva knows how to keep people watching and learning.